right, so I'm sitting here with Chad Hoover from Kayak Bass Fishing and Kayak Bassin TV, and we are going to do a C-TUG test. The C-TUG cart is right underneath his kayak right now. We have the double up bar attached to it, which is connecting both C-TUGs together. And we're gonna get Chad, who's about 297 pounds right now.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
Substantial man size.
Into his about 100-pound kayak right now with some gear on it.
Yeah, it's about 100.
So we're about 400 pounds right now, and we're gonna go ahead and test out this double up bar and see how the two C-TUGs work together to hold the weight. So let's go ahead and try it out.
Alright guys, so I guess I'll have to say that this double up C-TUG cart is a bona fide, big boy approved double up cart for your double wide kayak. Anyway, yeah, it's approved for big boys. That's pretty cool. Wait, now take me over to my truck.